In this video, I will show you how to change the audio or sound output on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to go over to the settings of your Hisense Smart TV. You can see the settings of my Smart TV over here. So just scroll to the settings icon and click on OK. And then you want to go to sound and then click on OK. And then you want to go to audio output over here and then just click on OK. And you're going to see the different audio outputs that we have over here. For instance, if you have a Bluetooth speaker connected to your TV, you just want to go to Bluetooth speaker and select Bluetooth speaker so that the audio or sound of your TV will come out from the Bluetooth speaker that is connected to your TV. And if you have any device connected using HDMI, maybe like a soundbar or any other device, and you want the output of your TV to come from that particular device, then you want to go ahead and set it to ARC, that is ARC over here. Now, if you also want the sound or audio of your TV to come from the speakers of the TV directly, then you want to go ahead and set it to TV speakers, just like this. And lastly, if you want to use the SPDIF option, which is usually the case in DVD players and so on, you just want to go ahead and set it to SPDIF. And finally, if you want to make some changes in the output settings, you can also come here and make some changes to the output settings over here. And basically, that is how to change the audio or sound output on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.